Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you're watching from. Welcome to today's video where I hope you guys are ready for a massive Temu haul, which is exactly what I have here. And let me tell you, I got such amazing things. I'm actually like mind blown, so I hope you're ready because this haul is so good. Like, I am so excited to tell you guys about it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Really quickly, before I start showing you everything that I got, be sure to check out the link in the description and download Temu to claim a $100 coupon bundle. You heard that right. And you get to shop for an extra 90% off. Let me tell you, like, the prices on Temu blew my mind. Temu was actually nice enough to send everything over for me, so I was just browsing their site. They have so many things to pick and choose from, but these are the things I selected this time. So shout out for them for sponsoring today's video. But the thing that I am most excited to tell you guys about is actually a portable walking pad that I got from them. You heard that right. So it didn't fit in this bag. As you can see, this bag is stuffed still with a bunch of amazing things, but the portable walking pad came in a really big box and it came really quickly, so I was so surprised for that. I think it came like within 3 days of letting them know what I wanted. That walking pad was at my door, so that was amazing. But it was only $115.84 for a walking pad. It is phenomenal. I love the speed of it. I love absolutely everything. I obviously don't have it here right now physically to show you in my room with me, but I will put some videos of me walking on it because I literally use it every single day just to walk for half an hour if I can. I walk during like my breaks at work. An hour before I go to work, I'll walk on it. Like, it is just so amazing. As you can see, it's also very compact, so we actually put it right beside where the sofa is in the living room because it's actually facing the TV, so even while you're watching a show, you can just walk, get some exercise in, get some steps in. It's not too noisy either. And then it also does come with a little remote that you can hold in your hand. The screen also lights up, as you will see, which shows you time, distance, speed, and calories, so it's always flashing between those four, so you can see where you're at in the moment, which I love. Remote, again, really amazing, and then has a little spot just to keep it when you're not using it. Speed wise, it goes up to 3.8 and it only weighs 39 pounds, which honestly is super light and super easy to bring up to any room that you want, leave in the living room, move it around. Like, I highly recommend it, and for the price, so good. So if you are on the market for an affordable walking pad, highly recommend that one. Again, like I said, everything will be linked in the description for you, along with the prices as well, so you can go check that out. But I kind of wanted to base the package around the walking pad because that was the first thing that I was like, absolutely, I would love a walking pad, please. So the rest of the stuff is around kind of like workout sets, shoes even. The price for everything is truly like mind-blowing. Wait till I start showing you, but this package is around that. And then I also got some nail stuff because I really love doing my nails. I got a bunch of good nail stuff. But to go along with the walking pad, you saw in the video that I just showed you that I was actually wearing these shoes right here, which are from Temu. Look at how pretty they are. I loved the design of them. They're super comfortable, very breathable, and super lightweight, like literally light as a feather. They feel like you're holding slippers. Like, they just don't weigh anything, but I loved them. They also have the grip at the bottom. As you can see, they're still very clean. I just wore them on the walking pad. These are the lightweight woven women's sneaker. These retail for $16.39 Canadian, but if you download the link and everything that I said at the beginning of the video, you can get them for $2.04. True to size, I got my typical 7.5 and they do fit me great. Love the design. They are very cute. Come in different colors as well, but I just chose the gray pair because I thought they would match with everything. And as you saw, I also did have a set in the video that I just showed you on my walking pad. That is also from Temu, so I will get to that in a little bit, but I did want to have just that little cute set with sneakers. This is another pair of sneaker that I got. However, I will say, although these are good, I still like the other ones a little bit better. These are the lightweight, breathable, knitted, round toe, slip-on, flat, casual sneakers. So as you can see, they are round toe as mentioned, no laces, you just slip them on. The back is more of a squarish design that flares out a little bit. If you can see, There you go. You might be able to see better like this. These retail for $19.48, but again, you can get them for $2.04. However, I will say choosing between the two sneakers, like I said, I do like these a little bit more. Okay, moving on to something that shocked me the most is, what if I told you you can get 8 workout shorts, 8 of them, that's right, for under $12, and they're actually really good material. Like, I am mind blown. Also, they do come in cute little Temu bags like this. These are really good for traveling as well, because you can stuff a bunch of stuff in, just take out all the air and then use the top. So really good for traveling. Love that, and I will be keeping that bag. But look at these shorts, you guys. Okay, you get 8 of them, literally a pack of 8. There's a lot of different color combinations. This is just the one I chose because fall is coming up and I wanted more darker neutral colors. But oh my gosh, look at these. They do not have a front seam, and they do also have butt detailing at the back, which is very, very, very flattering. I will say these shorts are very high-waisted. I actually like rolling them down a little because they're a little too high-rise for me. And lengthwise, I would compare them to a 6-inch short. That's how long I feel like they are. You can also wear them a little bit higher, which I like to tug them up just a little bit. $45.67, but you can get them for a limited time for $11.41 Canadian. So if you're in the US, it's a little bit cheaper, but look at these shorts. So you get the black pair, a gray pair, which this one you can kind of see the detailing more. This also does have a little under butt contouring as well, where you just hike it up. So it's really, really pretty, really flattering. Royal blue color, a kind of like pebbly gray blue color, a green color, a solid dark green color, burgundy-ish brown, great for fall, and a red one. I will say some of the colors obviously show the contouring a little bit more. The lighter colors show that more. However, the reds, burgundy, and the black, of course, don't show too much. And yeah, all of them no front seam, so you will see them. But a pack of 8, I think it's such a good price point for this. Quality is also phenomenal. 10 out of 10. They do not feel cheap. Great stretchy material. Also, I got them in the small pack. They didn't have extra small, so just chose the small. But I will say the in-between of extra small and small, so if you're also in between sizes, would recommend these shorts. They're very, very stretchy as well, and I personally just love them. And they are high rise, as mentioned, a little bit too high rise for me, but folding it down is still very comfortable, not restricting around the waist or the thighs, which I love. And I do think they are flattering. And come on, 8 shorts, like, I can't get over 8 shorts. It's just amazing. 10 out of 10. This bundle literally shocked me. I opened the package and immediately went to grab these. I was like, there's no way they're gonna be this good quality for how cheap they are. Like, it just amazed me. Amazed me. So if there's one thing you get from this haul, you need shorts, definitely pick these up. And of course, you guys saw me try this on already as I was on the walking pad. Another bag as mentioned. This one is a little bit smaller. It's this matching set, which is so pretty. This gray is honestly so nice. It is a ribbed fabric, super, super stretchy. So this is the top, and of course the bottoms for it as well do also have the little butt scrunch on the back that is very, very flattering. Again, high rise. I got this one in an extra small and it fits phenomenal. Love it. It is very stretchy, so if you're in between sizes, definitely would recommend sizing down. However, I did also pick it up in a white color, which is this one. Same exact set. This one I got in a size small, and I wish I got it in an extra small because, like I said, it is very, very stretchy, as you can see, and not sheer. You will see in the try on, I was a little skeptical because this is obviously white. However, it's great material, but again, I wish I sized down to an extra small to fit better, because look at that. So much stretch to it. Of course, when doing your nails at home, what do you need? A nail lamp. So of course I picked one up. This is it. And this is what it looks like under $5. It is amazing. Highly recommend it. Super easy to use. You will see a video of me using it. Also comes with a cute little handle that you can just carry. Very nice. The cord is nice and long as well, so it's really good if you want to plug it on the floor and then put it on a table. Very simple, easy, straightforward to use, and dries nails really quickly. I actually have gel polish on my nails right now, and I did use the light, so I will, like I said, show you that video. And in that video, you are watching me actually use Another thing that I got on Temu that I can't believe I didn't think to get sooner, because if you didn't know, I do my own nails a lot, and same with my mom. So her and I have a lot of polishes, whether it's regular polish, gel polish, anything, you name it, we have it because we do our nails at home. This is a nail swatch stick with the little ring handle for it, and let me tell you, under $1, this is like 60 cents on Temu. I am 100% obsessed with this, and I can't believe I didn't buy it sooner. Even just having fun with swatching all of it, it was so fun to do. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with little stickers as well. So you put the number on the swatch, and then it comes with a duplicate, so there's 2 of every number, and the other one goes under the polish. So that is how I have it right now. The polishes have the numbers at the bottom, and the swatches have it here, so that way you obviously know what goes with what. I believe it was either a pack of 50 or 100, but I didn't use all of that, so I still have some left over in my closet for when new polishes arrive. And another thing that I got, again under $1, is a cuticle cutter. So this pro level cuticle clippers came in this pack. I wanted to show you what the packaging was like because, again, everything is so well packaged. I just love the kind of like gold detailing to it. They had other colors as well, but this is the one that stuck out to me. It is very sharp, so if you do not cut your cuticles, be very careful if you buy this and try it for the first time. It is very sharp. Watch a couple videos how to use it, but I do love this one. It feels good quality too, not like cheap and light. It does have a little weight to it, and then it comes with a little cap for storage. That way it stays nice and clean, no germs, no dust, and of course you don't hurt yourself by just having a sharp blade. And last but not least, for doing your nails, nail art brushes. This pack was so inexpensive, I couldn't believe it. And there's, again, a lot of other ones to choose from, color wise, everything, but I did choose the black. All of these you can get for as little as 88 cents Canadian. Again, insane, because look at all of the brushes, and they are good quality brushes as well for nail art design. So every time you want to do something, you have a brush for anything. Comes with brushes like this, and look how pretty these ones are. Also comes with a bit of a thinner brush, that way for more fine lines. This one is a dual-ended brush, as you can see, so it has thicker here and then very, very thin small here. Dotting tools, which are a staple, super pretty to do polka dots, even little flowers. Here's the dotting ones, so pretty too, like all the different glitter colors, just super pretty. So you can see they have really thick ones and then tinier ones. The biggest bundle, which has a little bit of everything, as you can see. And what I really like is each of the brushes are individually packaged with a little cover on top. I will show you. Each of them have a little protective cover, so you use it, do everything, and then clean it, and then just stick it back in. So that is everything that Temu sent over. Shout out to them. Don't forget you can use my search code. I'll have it here on the screen to claim a $100 coupon bundle and shop for extra 90% off. So you can use the search code as I mentioned, or download the link in the description and follow the instructions there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.